Today I'm going to show you guys how to brine a turkey for frying. There's two types of brine. There's wet and there's dry. Today we're going to do the wet version. Now when you dry brine, you normally rub salt all over the bird, and that's a good way of doing it. The only issue I have with that is that sometimes you can put too much salt and then your bird becomes too salty. So with this, we're going to do the wet brine method. We're going to soak this for about 24 hours. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So first I want to measure the water. I already cleaned my bird, which is a turkey. As you can see, this is called the Cambro, and it has all these measurements on it. So I already put the bird in. So what I'm going to do now is fill up a pot with water. I have my pot of water. What I want to do is I want to pour it in the container. And okay, so right there. I went about halfway. So this is about 8 quarts. So now this liquid I'm gonna pour back into our pot, and I'm gonna add the aromatics to it because I'm going to add ice to it later to cool it down so the bird can go right into the solution. So I'll see you guys soon for the next step. Okay guys, our water is boiling. Now it's time to prep the ingredients. So for this brine, I like to use cardamom, coriander seeds, cloves, cumin. I have a 4 pepper blend. I have allspice, bay leaves. I have Himalayan pink sea salt, and I have Muscavado sugar and light brown sugar. So this is perfect. This is about half of a cup to a cup of each. So I've just put it in this container. I like to reuse these glass containers. Shout out to Creation Juicery. So I just save these, I don't waste them. I have some leeks here, scallions. I have thyme, tarragon, oregano, cinnamon sticks, garlic, onion, orange, and lemon. There's no set recipe for this. Please experiment with different spices in different blends and you will get a great result. I just like to do this. I can add fenugreek seeds if I wanted to. I just like to play around with different spice blends. All I'm gonna do now is just prepare the ingredients. I'm gonna transfer it to this bowl, put everything in here, and then I'm gonna dump everything into the boiling water, let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna cool down the mixture, and that's gonna be the brine for the turkey. And then we'll let that sit for about 24 hours, and we'll fry it, and it's gonna be great. See you guys soon.
Okay. Okay.
That smells delicious. So after this part, guys, you just want this to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll go to the next step. 30 minutes have passed. Now it's time to cool down our brine. So first, let's open up our ice. Alright, so now we're ready to pour our brine slowly into our turkey. Somewhat slow. All right, there you have it, guys. So we're gonna let this rest for about 24 hours, and then we're gonna fry this. So I can't wait to see how that comes out.